Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fluent Avenue X. Today, you will learn English while taking a bus. You will hear useful words, easy sentences, and natural conversations that people use every day. But here is a question for you. Why does Umair almost get on the wrong bus? Listen carefully because the answer is hidden inside today's story. Stay with us until the end, practice your English, and let's start.
Good morning, Anam.
Good morning, Umair. How are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing well. Are you ready for our trip?
Yes, I am excited. I don't drive, so let's take the bus.
Great idea. The bus stop is only 5 minutes away.
Let's walk there.
Sure. It's a nice morning.
The weather is perfect.
Yes. Not too hot and not too cold.
I like mornings like this.
Me too.
Here is the bus stop.
Let's check the bus schedule.
Good idea.
Our bus comes at 9:15.
What time is it now?
It's 9:08.
We have a few minutes.
Yes, we are early.
That's better than being late.
I agree.
Look, a bus is coming.
Really?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, Umair.
Why?
Look at the number.
Oh.
That is bus 12.
Oops.
We need bus 21.
I almost got on the wrong bus.
That would be a funny trip.
Yes, maybe I would visit a place I never planned to see.
Then you could call it an adventure.
Next time, I will check the bus number first. Here comes another bus.
Let's see the number.
It's bus 21.
That's our bus.
Perfect. Hello.
Good morning.
Does this bus go to City Park?
Yes, it does.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
$2.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Did everything go well?
Yes, the driver was very kind.
That's nice.
I paid with my card.
Easy and fast.
I like that. Let's find 2 seats.
There are 2 seats near the window.
Perfect.
I like sitting by the window.
Me too. I enjoy looking outside.
The city looks busy today.
Yes, many people are going to work.
Some students are going to school too.
Everyone looks busy this morning.
Do you take the bus often?
Not very often.
Really?
Usually I walk or ride my bike.
Walking is healthy.
Yes, but today our destination is far away.
That's true.
What do you like about buses?
I don't have to drive.
Anything else?
I can relax.
That's a good reason.
I also like watching people.
Just don't stare at them.
Don't worry. I only look for 1 second.
Good answer.
The next stop looks busy.
Yes, many people are getting on.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How many stops until City Park?
3 more stops.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
3 more stops.
Great.
We have enough time.
I'm glad we asked.
It's always okay to ask questions.
That's true. Look outside.
Wow, the lake is beautiful.
I didn't know it was here.
Me neither.
Next weekend, let's come back.
That's a wonderful idea.
Oops.
What happened?
I almost forgot my backpack.
Where is it?
Right beside me.
You scared me.
I scared myself, too.
At least you didn't leave it on the bus.
Not today.
Listen,
What?
the driver is making an announcement.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Is the next stop City Park?
Yes. The next stop is City Park.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's our stop.
Let's get ready.
Don't forget your backpack.
I won't. Thank you, driver.
Have a great day.
You too. We made it.
Yes, that was an easy trip.
I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Always check the bus number before getting on.
Exactly.
And don't forget your backpack.
That's another good lesson.
I'm ready to enjoy the park.
Let's go!
Great job listening. Now, here is the answer to today's question. Umair almost got on the wrong bus because he did not check the bus number. Today you learned many useful English expressions like good morning. Which bus do we need? Does this bus go to? How much is the fare? Excuse me. Thank you. You're welcome. It's our stop. Have a great day. Thank you so much for learning English with Fluent Avenue X. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Here's today's fun question. Have you ever taken the wrong bus or almost taken the wrong bus? Tell us your story in the comments. See you in the next English lesson.